Hi, I'm Victoria with Woodbury Wealth Enterprises, and I'm here to formally welcome you. Experience what we here are proud to call the Woodbury Way. We provide our members with the value, the resources, and the customized strategies to achieve any and all business and personal financial goals. We pride ourselves on delivering a true concierge approach to both our current and future members, striving to provide you with fast and efficient service to ensure you are well on your way to building a business and life of your dreams. Whether it's your need for immediate business capital with our MCA Plus program, or your need to find your way out from under 4 or 5 costly business loans all at once with our business debt relief program, we are certain that we've got a program specifically designed for you. We are confident to say that once you discover all that we and our dedicated staff of personal financiers have to offer, you will never have the need to ever look anywhere else. For more information or to speak to a Woodbury financier, simply visit us at woodburyent.com. I hope to see you there.